What's going on? It's Chris from LifterLMS. I hope you are having an awesome day, and I'm just here to let you know that this Black Friday holiday season, we are having our sale at LifterLMS for the entire month of November, not just between Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So that means the sale starts in just a couple days. It's our biggest sale of the year. It starts on November 1, and it's 20% off, and you just need to use the coupon code Black Friday 21. We'll have that down in the description down below so you can copy it and use it on your checkout on lifterlms.com. So if you've been thinking about getting LifterLMS, this is a great time of year to do it. If you're already a LifterLMS customer, this is a great time to upgrade to a bigger bundle or explore our 3-year license extension. So do me a favor, smash that like button and go check out lifterlms.com starting November 1st for our biggest sale of the year. Take care.